This is Lamborghini Aventador and I will try to make a fake 3D commercial using this car within 24 hours with $0. But if I can make it in 24 hours, my friend will smash this pie into my face. First, I need to gather around some reference. So I search in YouTube to get some inspirations from other artists. And this part of the process is the most important. After watching some videos, I decided to make the video like this. We have a bridge and a car. That's it. I need to keep it simple, but I need to use my creativity in using the camera and lights to make it more fun and realistic. I need a model of the car and it will take hours to model it. And I have only 24 hours. What should I do? Well, I have a solution for it. I just found this free model in Sketchfab and I will use this in project. Work smarter, not harder, you know? And I don't have any other choice anyway. After downloading it, I imported FX file and retexture it to make the materials a little pop more. Again, rigging is a very tedious process, so I will use an add-on called Launch Control, and it's easy to use. You just need to separate the wheels from the body and rename the meshes like this. After that, you will hit rig the vehicle and you're good to go. For creating the environment, I use an add-on called City Road Builder. It's simple. You choose your desired road, crosswalk or city line, and then it will create a path that you can change it in edit mode and add a curve to the road. For creating the ocean, I add a modifier called Ocean. And in the material section, I cranked up the transmission so it looked like the water. I'm not gonna lie, I spent over 7 or 10 hours on adding the cameras, compositing, rendering and sound design. I hope I can make it, cause I don't love to have a pie in my face. So it took about 25 hours. I don't know what to say. Enjoy the pie montage. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. After spending 25 hours on editing this video, here's the final reveal.